Hello and welcome to my Rubik's 4x4 tutorial part 2. In this step I'll show you how to solve these middle edge pieces. See how they are all solved? Now all it is from here is to mix up 3x3 and then there is also parity. So for this part it's more just repetition. All you need is to learn 2 quick easy patterns. So what we're doing again is just solving this middle edge piece right here. So what you'll do, you'll find 2 pieces that match up. So here's green and yellow edge. Let's find the other one. The other green and yellow is right here. So what we'll do, we get them on the same side. So here's the green yellow, here's the other green yellow. So what we want is we want this piece here where it is, but this piece we want it here, so we can just bring it over. So since if they're like this right across from each other, we'll bring this piece down and over, then this piece up, this side goes sideways and back down. So here, let me do that again. Okay. And also, the algorithm is L, D, R, F, R reverse. So now they're lined up, so we can just bring that over, and it lines up, but it also messes up these centers. So what we'll do then, we turn the front side sideways, top side over, bring the front side back down and over. And that algorithm is little u, F, U, F reverse, little u reverse. So you just do that all with all, and you can even do it this way, where they're opposite sides, and what you do is little u reverse, R, U, R reverse, and then U again. And so that solves it. And so you'll just do that until you get all but 3 sides. Once you get down to 3 sides, you need to orient the cube right, and sometimes one of the parities is you only get 2 sides. So I'll show you that here. So okay, so here now I'm down to my last 3 sides. So what I'll do, see, we want it so these 2 pieces line up, whatever piece is in the upper left corner. We need it so when this comes over, it lines up. But we want this piece, whatever piece this is, we want its adjacent piece to be right here. So the way we do that, we line it up so it's on the top. We do this pattern: U, F reverse, L, F. And see, so now it's all lined up, and we just do that little U, F, U reverse, F reverse, little u reverse, and now it's all solved. So that solves all of our centers, and then it is just a mixed up 3x3 cube. So what you do here is look at your green cross. So now you can get your green cross. I'm gonna this way shorter, don't worry. I'm not talking to you. Almost see this footage. Then you'll solve your corners, all 4. And show the parts. Where I finish it, you solve it, just make a summary of the patterns. This is so much fun. Solving 4 has as you keep like big size. Then you'll get solve your middle edge pieces. So you have the first 2 layers equivalent on 3x3, but it's the first 3 or 4x4. Like 5 parts or something. Then you'll get your blue cross. Then you'll solve your upper middle edge pieces. Then you'll get your corners in the right spot. But here's one of the things I will show you in parity. You have these two corners are wrong, but these two are right. So what you'll do if that happens, you'll just solve it. If the mixed one, I'm solving this corner because it's in the right spot, and I'll just bring this corner over and I'll just act like that's the right corner. And so now it's solved except for these two corners, which is one of the parities I will show you in the next section.